Hey guys, it's Mika again. Today we're going to check out Huawei's latest drop, the Huawei Nova 14 Pro, a smartphone that's gunning for the title of King of AI selfies. Now we all know how annoying it can be when you're the one with your eyes closed, no makeup, slightly blurred, or photobombed in a group selfie, right? Well, Huawei thinks it has solved all the selfie issues with this one. The Huawei Nova 14 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel front AI portrait dual camera, and it's seriously packed. You get the industry's first Ultra Speed Snapshot, 0.8 to 5 times Selfie Zoom, plus smart tools like AI Best Expression, AI Beauty Effect, and AI Remove to make sure you look your best every time. It's said to be the king of AI selfie, but let's see how it actually performs in real-world use, from daylight selfies to low-light shots. Let's start with the aesthetics. Its sleek quad-curve design feels just as good as it looks, smooth and easy on the eyes. It's got a bit of heft because of the large battery, but more on that later. At 207 grams, it actually adds to that premium feel. It still keeps a slim 7.78mm profile, making it comfortable and easy to hold. It comes in crystal blue, black, and white. What I love about the crystal blue option is how it shimmers when light hits it. The subtle yet unique design gives it an elegant look. And of course, it still has its signature star orbit ring. But this time, it's been revamped to look even more premium. Thankfully, you don't have to worry about the occasional drop or spill. It's rated IP65 for dust and water resistance and has a 5-star drop resistance certification. Now, let's jump to the star of the show, the front AI portrait dual camera, featuring the 50-megapixel ultra portrait autofocus lens and 8-megapixel close-up portrait lens. With a close-up portrait lens, you can play around with your shots to highlight your makeup or jewelry. This is essential for fashion and beauty creators. It offers 2 times optical zoom and up to 5 times digital zoom, making it the industry's first feature for front camera. And for group selfies, there's a 0.8 times zoom to fit everyone in the frame. It's also really impressive how even on the move, it can capture photos in crisp detail. Thanks to the Ultra Speed Snapshot, no missed moments here. With AI Best Expression, if someone in your group selfie isn't ready, you can easily fix their facial expression with just a tap. No more awkward faces. With AI Beauty Effect, you're always camera ready even without makeup. You can choose from natural, delicate, or stylish looks depending on your mood, whether you're going for all natural or full glam. Perfect for those I woke up like this moments. Generally, the Huawei Nova 14 Pro handles any lighting really well. Daytime shots pop with color with exposure staying balanced even under harsh sunlight. It still delivers bright, detailed photos that maintain clarity even in tricky lighting. On the back, the Huawei Nova 14 Pro features a versatile camera setup with optical and AI image stabilization. It's led by a 50-megapixel RYYB main camera with an adjustable aperture for control over depth and light. Alongside it is a 12-megapixel RYYB telephoto portrait camera that offers up to 3 times optical zoom and 30 times digital zoom. And lastly, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera. Perfect for expansive landscapes, creative close-ups, and even Gen Z-style group selfies. It also features Ultra Chroma camera with 1,500,000 spectral channels for cleaner and brighter shots that exhibit true-to-life colors. While testing it, I found it super easy to get great shots, no matter the lighting. Balance exposure and natural colors? Check and check. Like the front camera, the rear cameras are loaded with AI features and an adaptive multifocal dual flashlight. The Smart Flash gives soft lighting for subjects in the 1 to 3 times zoom range, making your photos look well-lit and balanced even in dim spots like bars for cozy dinner settings. Meanwhile, Ultra Speed Snapshot makes it easy to snap your playful pets in motion, like the cute cats and dogs strolling in BGC. No blurred moments. And if someone sneaks into your shot, AI removes got you covered by erasing those photo bombers in a tap. Unrelated to photography, but other AI features available on the Huawei Nova 14 Pro are the AI gesture control and AI messaging. You get a dynamic duo with the Huawei Nova 14 Pro, large 5500 mAh battery, and 100-watt supercharged turbo. This will allow you to enjoy creating and shooting all day, with minimal downtime with its fast charging capabilities. You also get AI charging control for peace of mind while charging before bedtime. Up front, there's a large and immersive 6.78-inch quad-curve display with 120Hz refresh rate. If you love binging the latest Netflix series, you'll definitely enjoy the vibrant colors and crisp details that make every scene pop. At the same time, you'll feel a sense of satisfaction from how smooth and responsive every swipe is. Performance-wise, the Huawei Nova 14 Pro handles everyday stuff like emails, photo and video edits, social media scrolling without a hitch. Casual gamers, you'll love this too. I ran Mobile Legends and it was smooth the whole time. Plus, app galleries got pretty much everything you need. WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Gcash, Netflix, and more. Let's go back to the question. Is the Huawei Nova 14 Pro this year's AI selfie king? The answer is yes. It checks all the boxes for selfie enthusiasts: quality, versatility, and smart AI-powered features. No more awkward expressions, blurred motion shots, or dull no-makeup selfies. Thanks to the Huawei Nova 14 Pro's impressive front camera setup, you'll look great every time. On top of the selfie capabilities, it's a well-rounded device that delivers in other key areas as well. The Huawei Nova 14 Pro is dropping real soon. Stay tuned for the price reveal and pre-order details. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you again soon.